In this tutorial, you will learn how to use the rotation wizard to change nutrient applications on your farm. As time goes on and plans change, you may find that you need to make changes to your planned crop management and nutrient applications. This process can be made much easier using the rotation wizard. Before working with the wizard, save a snapshot of your farm in case you want to undo any mistakes you make while editing. Begin by opening up the rotation wizard through the cropping screen. Choose Change Existing Crop Data or Applications for Fields, and be sure that Yes is chosen to overwrite existing crop data. Then click Next. At the top of the screen, you need to choose the type of data you wish to change. Choose cropping data if you want to change things such as tillage, yield, or legume credits. If you wish to change manure or fertilizer applications, choose Application. In this example, we will be changing application data by adding a new manure application to all corn silage fields in the spring of 2020 and then editing that application all within the rotation wizard. The dates in which you want to change the data need to be adjusted below. Subfarms and groups can be accessed here as well if you wish to make changes within those designated fields. Otherwise, all fields will be visible in the field list at the bottom. Choose the fields on the left and move them over to the right. You can choose a single field or multiple fields depending on your needs. Click Next. You then need to tell SnapPlus where you want to make a change. Under where it says Change Application Data Where, choose the current crop, its prior crop, and its 2-year prior crop if necessary. You can check for which fields this sequence of crops applies to by clicking on the button provided. Below, it asks what you want to change the application to. You can choose to add to existing applications, delete existing applications first, edit existing applications, or edit existing application seasons. Note that if you chose to delete applications first, it will delete all applications from the chosen field for the chosen year. This includes all manure and fertilizer. Let's start by selecting Add to Existing Applications. Click on the plus sign below to add a source, then choose the source class, the source name, season, spread method, and rate from the drop-downs. You can also apply a previously made nutrient system here if you want. You can click the plus sign again if you have additional applications you want applied to the same field, then click Next. The next screen verifies that you will be making a change. Click Apply and Continue or Apply and Exit. The changes you made will now be visible when you open the Nutrient Application Planner of that field. If you want to edit an application, go back to the rotation wizard and select Change Existing Crop or Application Data again. Select the criteria for the fields you want to edit in the same way we did last time. But this time, select Edit Existing Apps Spread Method /Rate. Click the plus sign again and enter the exact information of the application you'd like to edit. For this example, I have to enter the source class as Manure Biosolid, the source name as Dairy Liquid, then the season as Spring. Double check that this information is correct for the desired fields by clicking here. Now I can adjust the application spread method and rate. I'm going to enter the rate as 0 because I want to delete the application. Click Next, and then Apply and Continue or Apply and Exit. If you would like to change just the season of application, choose Edit Existing Apps Season Only. Click the plus sign and enter the source class, name, and season of the application. Then select the season to change it to by going to the drop-down menu at the top right corner of the table. Then hit Next and apply it to the selected fields. This is how you make changes to applications with the Rotation Wizard. Watch the next video in this series to learn how to make edits to cropping data in the Rotation Wizard.